Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We have a very special episode today. This is part 3 of the Fiesta ST wide body install. So we are heading home right now. I heard that you got some packages waiting for me. So let's go check it out. Okay. Let's see. Look how big the package is. Let's see. Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's heavy.
What the
Oh my
heck?
Holy.
Wow.
You should weigh these.
That's insane. One more package came in. Oh, this is box inside a box. Hopefully it's enough. I only ordered like 60.
You probably gypped yourself.
Yeah, I think I did. Because I need side skirt bolts and everything. Oh, dude, those look sick. We're gonna start cranking away at this stuff. I guess we'll figure out if it all fits and works up once it's on. So let's get to it. Alright, wheels are off, so now we're gonna throw this side on. I guess here we go. The width of this is absolutely nuts. Look at this. Oh my gosh. What am I doing? Okay, wheels going on. What should we do? The back first? Oh, is this the back? Or is that the front? That should be the front. Alright, here we go. That's stupid. Get out of here! I'm making a movie! Back wheel. What's going on? I should not be struggling this hard with that tiny little wheel. It's almost like I need more spacing. My God, it's sticking so far out. Look at that though. It's like I almost need more.
I wish you had that camber.
Oh my God, imagine that. So aggressive. Front one's going on. Oh, that should be perfect, dude. That's ridiculous. Look at that. That's a nice fitting right there. That's gonna be sweet. Okay, let's see it. Drop her down. Oh, easy. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Look at that fitment.
Another inch.
I actually might need to get... Dude, that looks insane.
Go another inch spacer.
Holy crap. Body is on, the fenders are cut, they're welded, sealed up, we got the spacers on, and it looks insane. It's super wide, super cool. We still need to get the front tire letters in from the front, and then I gotta get new tires for the back. So right now only one set has tire lettering, so pay no attention to that. But check out this sick little edit that we put together. My cousin came out with his drone, so shout out to him. We get to use the Mavic and some FPV drone shots, so I put together a little edit for you guys. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for tuning in, and let me know what you think. Widebody's coming out sweet. Still got to get it painted. Still got to put the new hardware on, and hopefully new wheels. So stay tuned for all that. I'm super stoked to start finishing this thing up. It's gonna look insane. A lot of cutting, a lot of hard work, but I think it turned out super sick, and still got a lot of progress to make on it. But here's a quick little edit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment what you think. Appreciate you guys. I'll see you in the next one.